Right then, some football news now. Jamaica's Reggae Boyz' wait for a first win or goal at the Copa America tournament continues after losing 1-0 to fellow CONCACAF team Mexico in their opening Group B match in Houston, Texas in the USA on Saturday night. And the Reggae Boyz were looking to break their run of 6 matches without a win or a goal at the Copa America tournament when they clashed with fellow CONCACAF team Mexico in Houston, Texas in the USA on Saturday night. It was the Mexicans who had the better of the early exchanges before the Jamaicans eventually found their footing with a few raids of their own. Goalkeeper Jamali Waite was called on several occasions to keep the Mexicans at bay, and that he did as the first half ended 0-0. But the Jamaicans seem to have left their sense of urgency in the locker room upon the resumption, as it was the Mexicans who went hunting early once again. But the Reggae Boyz would fight back and were seemingly rewarded when West Ham United striker Michail Antonio met this cross from Dexter Lembikisa to head in at close range in minute 50. But their celebrations were cut short when VAR ruled the goal offside. And it was a reprieve met with almost instant reaction by the Mexicans, who you could say inevitably went ahead in the 69th minute. Despite a few late runs by the substitutes brought on by coach Jaime Holgrimson, the Mexicans would hold on for victory, their second against the Jamaicans at the Copa America tournament. Despite suffering a 7th straight defeat across 3 appearances at the tournament, coach Holgrimson says it's not all doom and gloom.
The moment, maybe 10-15 minute chapter in the game when they scored the goal, we were really struggling. I don't know why, we dropped too deep. So we never could kind of defend the second ball that came out, and the goal came exactly from that moment. But then again, in the end, we fought to the end, and I'm really proud of the players, how they played this game to the end. We gave them a tough match, and in the end, I was hoping and I thought we deserved to score one, get something out of this game.
Coach Holgrimson added that the team will only get better going forward.
I think overall quite happy with the game, defensively, especially tactically.